In this video, we will show you how to create a table with accessible headers. I'm looking at my summary sheet, and on my summary sheet I've got a table which I haven't yet converted into a proper table. So I'm going to highlight the cells that I want to be the table. I'm going to the Insert menu and then click on Table. I want to make sure that the box for My Table Has Headers is checked and then click OK. You can then, if you want to, select different styles for your table, but I'm happy with the one given. I'm then going to click somewhere in my table and go to Table Design. Table name, the default is Table 2. I'm going to rename that. The table names in Excel can't have a space in them, so I'm going to aim for a one-word title. If I want a multi-word title, I would have to use either a dash or an underscore. But I'm going to stick with Summary and hit Enter. So now it's enabled me to filter and search by the header. Visually, it's turned these headers into header cells, but also for a screen reader, it will read them and associate the data with them. So that's how you turn a table into an accessible table with headers.